Oh, and we're going to do some collisions for science at Collision Park. First we got a Fiat 500 and a Morris Mini. This one's heavier, by the way. So let's see when they're both moving and they collide. Miss. Wow. See? That bounced back because of a shockwave. Now, what if one car goes up a ramp while another one's waiting down there? 3, 2, 1. Wow, that hit so hard, it was even shaking like that. Now, let's try this again. But what if both cars are on the ramp? 3, 2, 1. Wow, they both got flipped over because they were both on the ramp and they got so much energy. But this final one, what if one object is stationary and the other one collides into it? So here, you got an express van and a fast gas truck. The fastest oil supplier. That's what it says there, anyway. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it closer. 3, 2, 1. So hard. Since this was stationary, it got moved more. It almost fell off the table. Goodbye. And here we did some science with toys.